In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Bybit. So first, make sure you are logged in to your Bybit account. And on the upper right corner, you will see here the profile icon. Click on that and you will see here the account. Click the account section and it will redirect you to your account info page. So under the account info, you will see here the identify, verification, and security. Click on the security and then you will see here the email authentication. Now you will see here the change email button. So if you want to change it, just simply click on that. And as you can see in here, we can't change it yet because we need the authentication to factor authentication in Bybit. So yeah, make sure you finish those setup in order to change your email here in Bybit. And that's it. That's how to change email here in Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.